Who do you think in history Bree would take out to dinner, and why would she do that?
I'll say Trey, because she looks up to him a lot.
My husband is obsessed with Napoleon, like the war general. I'd probably choose him so I could ask tons of questions and be able to come back to my husband with all this wonderful information for him, make his day. I would take him to
Maybe something with seafood?
the Eiffel Tower restaurant so I can get a view of what he talks about in his own territory.
What do you think is Bree's favorite way to spend the weekend?
Hanging with her dogs and her husband and creating and making some candles.
Waking up, probably doing a little workout, breakfast type thing, doing a little straightening up around the house, and then go out and probably do some shopping because I'm a shopping addict and I would love to just spend all my money if I had more. Least favorite day of the week,
Maybe Mondays?
Mondays. I'm tired. I'm not in work mode yet. So I come in, gotta get into work mode, which is like takes a lot of energy.
I don't even know if Bree even watches movies. Eight in Manhattan? I have no idea.
I am a Halloween fanatic and fall fanatic, and that's why my daughter's name is Autumn, and she's gonna be born in October because I'm obsessed. So Halloween, I watch it every year when I carve pumpkins to get me in the Halloween mood.
I don't know if she's a singer. I have never heard her hum or
I do know a lot of songs and a lot of words. Girl in Red, and she's got a song called Serotonin. That was like my top playlist song and artist for a long time, so I definitely know all the words.